What is print in Python? The print function in Python is a built-in function used to output data to the terminal or the console. It is one of the most commonly used functions for displaying messages, variables, values, and debugging program execution. And now here I will show you how it works. First I can write print hello. And I run the Python file. We can see here hello. We can write another thing like an addition. 1 plus 5. I run Python file. We can see here 79. And I can also do like this. Hello plus word. And I run the Python file. We can see hello world. And we can put here a space. We can see here hello world.